attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Marine warning for Hawaii Channel, Hawaii County windward waters, or Oahu windward waters, until 2 p.m. At 12:53 p.m., a line of strong to severe thunderstorms were located off of windward Oahu along a line extending from 10 nautical miles north of Fadbury to 6 nautical miles northeast of Makapuu Point, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fadbury T and Fadbury MM. Prepare for gusty winds,